celebrities, drama, and the African jungle. Since launch in 2015, I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here has become a ratings hit. Promoting this season premiere, Spark Foundry and Network 10 partnered with VMO to deliver a 360-degree campaign domination. A domination planned around the customer's journey of Manly Wharf. Window decals, floor decals, hanging banners, and dynamic digital creative delivered via VMO's high-impact, large-format digital screens. VMO's flexible programming meant that each message was tailored to the time and day it appeared. Strategic, impactful, and most importantly, successful. On February 28, I'm a Celebrity achieved its best ever first episode ratings.